What's up? We back with another video, and today we got a torture test for y'all. It's gonna be a torture test on the Glock 48. We're gonna put it in sand, shoot it a little bit, and then we're gonna put it in sand, water, and then sand again, shoot it a little bit and see how it does. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, we back now, and the first test we're gonna do is the sand test. So we're gonna take the mag out, hold the slide back, put it in the sand, cover it in sand. This kills me to do, by the way. Take it out the sand, give it a really good shake. Get a little bit off the barrel. I think that's good. Put the mag back in. It chambered one. Let me get my head stuffed real quick. Ready? All right, let's see how it does. Jam. Jammed up. She got too much in her, bro. Alright, we back. As you can see, it definitely jammed up, but we back by the wall. We had to come by the water and rinse it out, and it's working pretty good now, so let's see how she does. She's still jammed up, so she needs some more washing. We're gonna wash her, and then I'll get back to you for the second test. Alright, so as you can see, it jammed again. We had to wash it off, and we had to take it all apart, clean all the sand out, and I think it's gonna work now, so let's see how it does. Got this. And the trigger isn't going all the way back, so something's not cocking. We'll get back with you in a second. Alright, so we washed it out, we got it working now. The trigger wasn't going back and it wasn't cocking all the way, so we had to take it all apart again, wash it out like super good this time. And I think we got it working now. I don't really see no point in doing that again because obviously it jammed and it would only shoot one and then jam again. So now we're gonna go with the sand, and then we're gonna wash it and then put it back in the sand and then see how it does. So this time too, you think we should open this thing up again? All right, I agree. Okay, so this time we're not gonna open it up because if you was to just drop it, most likely it wouldn't be open. So let's see how it does with just putting it in the sand. Alright, now let's wash it off and see if she fires. Alright, and then we're going to put it back in the sand, then pick it up and see if she'll fire. Alright, you ready? Okay, so hold on, don't stop it. So, jammed already. We're gonna take it, open it up, and rinse it out. See if we can just rinse it out and get it to fire right away. That's the mag out too, just in case anything. Alright. Let me rack it back a few times. All right, I think she's gonna work. Let's see. Oh, she cocked that time. All right. I'm gonna shoot at that tree right there, that branch, whatever the hell it is. Jammed. Jam again. Well, I think that pretty much concludes that if you have a Glock 48, oh, I think it just whipped all the way. Let's see. Nope. So I think that much pretty much concludes if you have a Glock 48, don't drop it in the sand, and make sure you keep it up and don't get it too dirty. But if you do drop it in the sand and you rinse it off a little bit, take the slide off, rinse it out, should work no problem. But I will have to say also, Glock surprised me with this one. I expected this thing to get super dirty and be able to just fire whole clips. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.